There are other people that just buy controlling shares and become the director. So the reason why, quote and unquote, controlling share is so that you can control decisions and you can cover your bases.
Yes.
So, and there's a reason why they have board meetings where shareholders can vote. So, but then once they have a controlling share,
controls the board meetings.
they override the vote. So that's the game.
This is SOUQ business landscape. The SGX has listed 3.16 billion additional UBA shares after the rights issue. Nigerian Exchange Limited has admitted 3.16 billion additional ordinary shares of United Bank of Africa, UBA PLC, to its daily official list. The exchange confirmed this on Thursday. Now, this follows successful conclusion of UBA's recent rights issuance exercise and is aimed at enhancing the bank's market capitalization while deepening liquidity in Nigeria's capital market, NGX officials said. A confirmation letter dated January 12, 2026, signed by God's Time Iwe Nkeha, head of Issuer Regulation Department, formalized the listing. And analysts are also saying that the expanded share base strengthens UBA visibility in the market, increases trade activity, and provides more investment options for shareholders. Okay, observers now note that successful right issues and market absorption signal investor confidence in the bank's performance and the broader Nigeria financial sector, potentially encouraging similar capitalization and capital raising initiative by other listed companies in 2026. Now, let's get back to what you were talking about. Those that had shares before, and now we have new rights and shares coming in, and you're saying, okay, good and fine, let's see. Whose shares should really go down? Is it the old shareholders or the board? So who should contribute more to shares coming in to companies? And why are CEOs, bank chief executives, holding strong to their own shares and not going and trying at least 2-3%, 5% max? Should we have that kind of policy? So that, okay, good and fine. Yes, if you want to go back and start buying, you can buy back, but you can't hold more than this amount.
I mean, the reason why they have a controlling share is so that they can cover their bases and they can protect their interests.
Yeah, but they've had this from inception. They didn't buy up the shares from the open market. Most of them started these particular companies.
Yeah, some of them start, but there are other people that just buy controlling shares and become the director. So the reason why, quote and unquote, controlling share is so that you can control decisions and you can cover your bases.
Yes.
So, and there's a reason why they have board meetings where shareholders can vote. So, but then once they have a controlling share,
controls the board meetings.
they override the vote. So that's the game. It is what it is. But it still does not stop the fact that it's good investment to invest in good companies that churn out profits. At the end of the day, dividends and return might still be the same. It doesn't mean that return is going to reduce. It just means that the percentage you hold in the company reduces. So, for example, if you hold 1%, your 1% might become 0.5% or 0.3% because the capital base of the company is now bigger. So what you are holding is no longer a big portion now because the company is a bigger company.
Definitely, but you don't lose value.
You definitely don't lose value. You just lose the percentage that you hold. It becomes smaller. You still...
So while we are looking at losing that percentage that we hold, let's ask the same question that nobody's refusing to talk to us about. The board of directors, why are their own shares not reducing?
And the reason why their shares is not reducing is because they can keep their shares. Because they can.
And buy more when...
Legally.
those issues happens. Now, for those that are wondering, we really want Nigerians to get into the stock market, and let's get to that particular point in time where the capitalization of our stock NGH is getting to from billions to the trillions. Then we can really say that yes, this $1 trillion economy is a possibility.